Hey guys, so I just woke up and fresh ho chuki hu as you can see, but I'm not feeling like because it's such a beautiful weather out and it's such a lazy lethargic day. I feel like sleeping dum din bhar. लेकिन आज I have to meet a lot of work commitments and do a lot of things all together. कुछ कुछ मम्मी को भी प्रॉमिस किया हुआ है, वो सब भी करना है. So it is going to be a long day today. तो बहुत मज़ा भी आने वाला है. And I really wanted to vlog this entire day so that आप लोग मेरे साथ हो सके throughout the day. That's what is the point. Now I'll go out to jog a little क्योंकि आज थोड़ा जल्दी उठ भी गई हूँ and I really don't want to work out today. So instead of that I'm going to just jog around near to my place. So let me dress up into my workout clothes. बिफोर स्टेपिंग आउट बीट सुबह सुबह शाम को या किसी भी टाइम में आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि मेरा स्किन प्रॉपरली प्रेप्ड हो एंड इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ कोटेड विद अ लॉट ऑफ सनस्क्रीन. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. I'm back home and now I'm feeling energetic after this kind of workout session. तो इसलिए भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And now I'm going to push myself to the kitchen to make something like a breakfast for me so that I can munch on and then we are going to go for the entire day. My breakfast is ready and I was dying of hunger, matlab serious wala. So now I'm going to just finish it off. We have a cup of tea and these things. So we are going to eat it off and then I'm going to hop into my washroom to take shower क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा uneasy सा feel हो रहा है since we jogged a lot. So I've just taken shower and now I'm going to show some packages that I've recently received from Purple. Yeah, and yes, I'm going to open it so that you guys can know कि इसमें क्या क्या है. तो सबसे पहले इसमें देखते हैं. We have all these three and yes. So these are 3 sheet masks. It's a snow sheet mask with coconut extracts. The other one is charcoal sheet mask and this one is of rice extracts. तो ये थोड़ा सा helpful होगा हमारी skin को tame down करने के लिए. Another thing that is here is 24K gold oil, like a serum to make your skin look glow. And another packages is this in which we have 3 things. Let me show one by one what all are these. Okay, so this is tea tree essential oil from Purple itself. Let me just see these things. So it's in this really cute blue bottle with a dropper thing here. Another one is skin rejuvenating serum which has vitamin C and vitamin B3. That's pretty cool. Another serum is oil control serum which has tea tree oil and papaya oil. This is a 20 ml bottle. So these are the things that I recently got from Purple and I'll mention the link to each of them so that you guys can try if you want. And also Purple पे बहुत अच्छा sale चल रहा है. Get Gorgeous sale from 16th of June to 19th of June and you can get up to 50% off on all the products and additional 10% off on the coupon code of GET100 and you can avail 15% off on amazing skincare brands like Alp Goodness, Dermdoc, Good Vibes, Stay Quirky, Purple and a lot of it. So please go check that out. I just had my lunch and shower and I'm feeling super chill and relaxed right now. And yes, the next thing that I have to do is to go out for grocery shopping near to my place. एक छोटा सा shopping mart type का and I have to get some cookies, noodles, dry fruits for the entire family and I really love having cookies at night while editing, so I need a stock of it. And जल्दी से आना है because of this pandemic and all, the shop closing times are really strict, so I have to go fast and come back super soon. I just came back and I was trying out these cookies. This is Unibic cashew badam cookies and I just loved it. Oh my god, it's really tasty and I'm at almost half the packet because I have to shoot now iske baad. So I want to feel good, that is why I'm having cookies. And इसके बाद मुझे जो shoot करना है that is for an Instagram page. It is a small business sort of, and I really love to promote people who do things on their own, and it's a homegrown business sort of, so why not? I think I've given my words, so I should do that. And again, if you have that potential, if you have that capability, then you should help people who are trying out to grow, who are trying out to run their own business or do things on their own. And this business is actually run by a lady of my age, so I thought I should give my best for that work. तो इसके बाद आपको वो BTS बहुत सारा देखने को मिलेगा, and I'm going to get ready, a lot of makeup and a lot of stuff. I've planned a lot, so let's go. So I'm all decked up in this really gorgeous outfit, all pink. I'm feeling like an Indo-Western Barbie. इसके बाद एक और look change भी करना है for another shoot. तो आज का दिन बहुत busy होने वाला है, not just because of the shoot, but also because of the mess that I have created here. Makeup, skincare, all of my brushes and everything. So I need to clean that out after the shoot so that I can breathe in my room at least. Shoot 1 with the first outfit went amazing. I'm tired, but I'm excited for the second outfit too. So I'll see you once I'll dress up. Okay, so we are done, and now I'll just sit down, clean up this mess, and then I'll select all the pictures and I'll see you then. I just finished editing the pictures and I've removed all of the makeup and I'm feeling free right now. And abhi to I'm just reviewing the clips that we have recorded, because at times it happens that what we have ideated is different than what is actually there in the clip. Aesthetic wise, so I am just reviewing all of the things that कि ये सारा कुछ perfect है कि नहीं है, because the job of this content creation, it requires your mental work more than your physical work, because we need to ideate, we need to script a lot, we need to make everything look aesthetic. So yes, let's see what all we have. As you all know, this shoot was in 2 outfits. So pink wale outfit ka sara clip is just perfect, exactly the way I wanted. But the second outfit wala shoot is kind of off for me, because I am looking a little tired, so that's what is the problem. So I think I'm planning to reshoot, maybe not. I'll just edit it and I'll try to edit and then I'll see कि हाँ अगर अच्छा turn out हो जाता है then it's okay, because we have to have a 1-minute video. That is what I have committed. So देखते हैं, अगर वो हो जाता है तो well and good, else we'll reshoot definitely. So if you are thinking ki what I am doing right now, then let me tell you that I was just planning for a shoot, a fashion video shoot in near future, and I was planning ki कौन सा आउटफिट कैसे कोऑर्डिनेट करना है, किस कलर के अकॉर्डिंग, एंड देन आई डिसाइड एक्सेसरीज प्रायर टू द शूट एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दिस वर्क्स इन रियल लाइफ टू. लाइक इफ़ यू हैव सम इवेंट्स और अ प्लान फंक्शन कि आपको अटेंड करना है नेक्स्ट वीक, या आपको कहीं जाना है या कोई पार्टी है, फंक्शन है, प्लीज़ प्लान एवरीथिंग प्रायर, योर ड्रेस, योर एक्सेसरीज एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड लास्ट मिनट आउटफिट रियल लाइफ में नहीं हो पाता है. आई थिंक टू लुक डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स, टू लुक पुट टुगेदर, यू नीड टू plan prior to the function. So that's what I'm doing. In my case, I'm just planning for my videos, the outfit and everything, but you can apply it in real life too. So now I'm done with all of my work for the day, and I'm just going to pamper my skin, because आज दिन भर बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप था. Since it was more like an Indian shoot, तो बहुत ज़्यादा face पे मेकअप था, but I want to do these things for a longer run, so I need to take care of my skin at the same time. So every night I take vapor on my face, because it kind of opens up all your pores and makeup को clean करने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा help करता है and makes your face super glowy. And for that I just taken a little amount of water in this and add some essential oil to it, and this time I'm going to add tea tree oil. So that's what it is, and इससे बहुत ज़्यादा help मिलेगी हमारे skin को glow करने में and rejuvenate करने में. So let's go. सो दैट्स प्रिटी मच अबाउट द वीडियो एंड बहुत मज़ा आया पूरे दिन काम करके एंड शूट करके फॉर यू ऑल. एंड येस, दैट्स व्हाट आई डू फॉर माई स्किन वेपर एंड यू कैन सी हाउ ग्लोई दिस लुक्स. एंड नाउ आई मीन टू टेक रेस्ट क्योंकि आज का बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है एंड आई रियली नीड टू टेक रेस्ट. So yeah, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and please comment down your video ideas and suggestions. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_ and please subscribe. I प्यार you guys and I'll see you in the next one.